Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to format a pen drive using DiskPart. DiskPart is a command line utility that allows you to manage and format storage devices in Windows. Let's get started. First, open the command prompt by pressing the Windows key and R. Then type cmd and pressing enter. Or in the source bar here, type cmd, then open as administrator. Right click. So once the command prompt is open, type DiskPart here and press enter to launch the DiskPart utility. Now that we are in DiskPart, we need to list all the available disks connected to your computer. Type list disk and press enter. As you can see here, we have the disk, but the disk for a pen drive not display here, so I will format the disk with 14 gigabytes. Alright, so once you've identified the correct disk, type select disk and the number of the disk. Disk 2, not 0. This is for my hard drive. For USB is number 2. Enter. Now that we've selected the pen drive, we can proceed with formatting and type clean and press enter. This command will remove any existing partitions or volumes on the disk. After the disk is cleaned, we need to create a new partition. Type create partition primary and press enter. The partition has been created. Now we need to format the partition. Type format fs equals sign ntfc quick and press enter to format the pen drive as ntfc. So the formatting process will begin. Be patient, as it may take a few moments to complete depending on the size of your pen drive. Once the formatting is complete, type exit and press enter to exit this part. So now type exit, enter. And here you have it,